So the t-test for correlated samples is used to find out if a difference exists between the before and the after mean. So again ha, t-test ganitong gisgutan, ang atong gikuha niya is the test of the difference between the samples. So if there is a difference in favor of the post-test, then the treatment or intervention is effective. However, if there is no significant difference, for example ha, kung misgot ka pre-test, sa pre-test, wala pa mo nahibawan, right? Wala pa mo gidiskussan about any nga subject. And then there is an intervention which is tudluan na mo na intervention which is the treatment of discussing the lesson, and then we will have the post-test. And then we find out na kanang effective siya because mas dako mo grado. If they gani siya dako mo dagko ang grades, so that means the intervention or the treatment na gihatag is not effective. Okay? So how do we use the t-test for correlated samples? So this is the formula. So the bar there is the mean difference between the pre-test and the post-test. So maragyapo na, ang katuragyapo ng example ganina atong gipasabot. But then again, it is the mean difference between the mean and the mean before and the mean after. And then this one is the summation of the difference between the mean before and the mean after. And then we also want to get the sum of the squares of the difference between the mean and the mean before. And then we have n, which is the sample size. Okay, take note with the formula. Please copy first before we move on to the example. Done? Okay, done copying.
Yes, me.
Okay. Okay, so this will be the example. An experimental study was conducted on the effect of programmed materials in English on the performance of 20 selected college students. Before the program was implemented, the pre-test was administered, and after 5 months, the same instrument was used to get the post-test result. The following is the result of the experiment. Use alpha at 0.05 level. So this is our data. So what would be the first step? Using the stepwise method, we need to solve it using the stepwise method. What would be the first step? Joanne. Jo? What's the first step, Jo? Okay, Angelo. It's okay, first step na to for the stepwise method. Wala? Okay. So let's have Christian. Let's have Christian. What's the first step in solving the stepwise method? Christian, are you there?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay. Hana. Sige, si Hana na lang. Hana. First step, Han, is to?
Identify the problem.
Okay, that's correct. So is to identify the problem. Okay, how are you going to construct it? Please tell them. Based on this one, how are you going to construct a problem? Han? Napakadinahan? Okay, who else? Let's have Billy. How are you going to construct Billy? Na ba si Billy? Naa si Billy. Just try. Just try to create. Based on this example. Billy? Okay, who wants to volunteer na lang? Nanasat si Mayville. Ano sa panunod? Wala nagtingog na ka, Billy. Wa mi na kuan ha. Okay. So for ako na lang ha, for the problem, so we want to construct like this one. So is there a significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test on the use of program materials in English? Okay, that is how we are going to okay, Han. Sige, Han. Di ka madungog. Sige, sige lang. Okay, what's the next step? After problem.
Hypothesis.
Okay, hypothesis. Okay. So, for the hypothesis, we have HO, or there is no significant difference. For the H1, the post-test result. Oh, yes. So you can say also the post-test result is higher than the pre-test result, or there is significant difference. So we will use na lang there is no and there is significant for the hypothesis. Okay, next is
level of significance, Miss.
Okay, that's correct. So for the level of significance, we have an alpha level of 0.05. Our degrees of freedom formula, which is n minus 1. So we have pila man to no? 20. So 20 samples, so that means 20 minus 1, our degrees of freedom is 19. And based on the tabular value, we will get 1.729. Okay, as you can see, na siya sign nga more negative. Just leave it there lang sa, and then we will go to the next step, which is, unsa man?
Statistics.
Yes, which is the statistics. Okay, ask me question right after na makuha na to ang conclusion ha. With regards with the level of significance. Okay, let's have the statistics. So what would be our first step for for the statistics?
Getting the value of
Hmm?
Getting the value of
Find the
Getting
sum.
and post-test.
Getting the value of what?
Mean? Oh my God.
Unsa, getting the value of what? The mean
Getting the value of X in pre-test and post-test.
x lang? Unsa man siya? Getting the value of x?
In pre-test and post-test, miss.
Value of x. This is also value of x. This one, x.
Find their difference, miss.
Okay, how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? Find the difference. Asa meto i-difference ani?
Wala total ma'am di.
Ang pre-test o ang post-test?
Okay, that's good. So we will get, ako sa ko na kasama. Okay, so we will get the difference of the pre-test and the post-test. So how much is this one? Okay, how much is this one? -5.
5.
Okay, next is ilan man eh?
Negative
-5
Negative
kapon.
5.
Next,
Negative 5.
Negative
5.
-5.
Adjo.
Negative
Next.
15.
Negative 15.
-15.
Negative 10.
10.
Babo.
Dayon.
10,
Negative 10.
Wait sa atong kuan ha. -5,
10,
-5.
25.
This is
Negative
-15, right?
0 man.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
10 miss.
And then
Negative
this is
10, miss.
okay, and this one
Zero.
is 0.
Negative
0.
0 na.
0.
Okay,
4.
nitingog na
Negative
Negative 4.
nitingog na gid ito si Maybell. -10 and then
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
4.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Okay.
Negative
Negative
5.
5.
Okay.
Negative 5. Oh, joke. Oh, miss.
5.
Negative
5, okay.
Positive 5.
2. Negative. Oh, joke. Negative 12.
Okay. Next.
Negative. Oh, positive 5.
5. Positive 5, miss.
Okay.
Then 1.
Positive 1.
Okay.
Then
Oh,
negative
negative
5.
Negative
Ano
5.
naman na, maybe, di na makakaiba mo minus.
Miss, di mo na mo kaklaro.
8.
Okay, next.
8 miss.
8,
Negative
okay.
5.
And then
Negative 5.
negative 5,
Negative
5.
5.
0.
0,
0.
Negative
Negative 1.
Negative
Negative 5.
Oh, negative
and then
6.
negative 5.
Negative
Okay.
5.
5.
Right after nakuha na nato ang difference between the pre-test and the post-test, what's the next step?
Wow, daw mean miss.
Paon ilahang?
Mean.
Paon ang mean ani. Right? Sakto ko?
Murag miss.
Sakto ba? Paon ang mean. Okay, how much is the mean? How much is the mean? Calculate. As I said that you need to prepare calculator. Okay, how much is the average or the mean? Pila man?
Negative 4.55.
Okay, that's good. Negative 4.55.
55.
That's wrong. Nasayop ka sa point.
Negative 4.5.
Negative 4.05.
05.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So that is our mean. And then the next step, unsa pa man?
Kuan na miss katong formula.
X mean.
Okay,
Joke.
let's go back to the formula since nakuha na nato iyang mean, and then let's go back to the formula. So this is the formula. So we have already the mean, dayon. What's the next step?
Substitute.
Identify na to kung pila to sila, miss.
Close na, miss.
Okay,
Wow.
Nauna ang kuan.
let's go back here. What's the
Kuha na
next
tong
step?
N.
Kuha na to ang this is negative. No? Kuha na to ang
N.
sa sa lang. Nanatay mean. So based on the formula, nanataan ni.
Ang total niya, miss. Ang total number niya, miss. Kung
Okay,
pila
the
to kabuok.
total number kung pila siya kabuok, that is our n, right? Pila man ang n?
20.
20.
Yes, 20.
Okay.
20. Alright. Nanatay mean. Nanaputay n. Tayon.
Kung ano ng square sa
Square
difference,
ang
miss.
difference, miss.
Alright. The square of the difference. Asa man ani ron? The square of the difference. So that means,
Yung mga kuan, miss.
Ang negative 5
Negative
square,
5,
miss.
then negative.
okay.
Kana
So
ka,
that
miss.
means,
Kana.
before makuha na to ang sum
Bansag.
ni kuan, ni square, ato sa siya square daan. Diba?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Alright. So how much is this one? We have 25.
25, 25,
15 times
225.
15. Very good.
225,
100.
0,
0.
100,
100.
16, 36,
36. 25.
25, 144,
144.
25,
25.
1,
1.
25, 64,
64. Wait,
25,
64. 25. Active.
25,
Active kayo,
Zero.
eh.
36,
36.
25.
And then 25. Okay.
Okay.
Active kayo, eh. Ganahan kay ko na muragi pang mingaw na dyan mo na ako, no? Participative
Lingaw na, miss.
kaayo.
Hapit ng Pasko.
I'm kalain. Sige. Dayon, since we are done getting the squares of the difference of each observations or of each samples, what's the next step? Diyan na may next.
Sum sa different squares, miss.
Pakita ko ng mina ng
Okay.
kalinkan, miss.
Sum of the
Ah,
difference. Pila man?
25,
47.35, miss.
Ha? Sum ang kaha.
947.
847.
Okay. Pilahan?
947.
847.
947. Okay.
947.
Okay. Let's go back. Sige. Nanatay. Wait. Nanatay. Nanatay number of sample or the sample size. Nanaputay the sum of the squares. And also, we are done with the average. Hindi po may kuwang na to.
Summation with D, miss.
Again? Again, unsa man? Sorry.
Summation with D.
Sa ang unsansahan di ko ka. Again.
Summation sa difference, miss.
Okay, that's good. Ang summation sa difference. Pila man na ron?
Negative 81, miss.
Okay, negative
81.
81. That's good. Okay. Dayon, so we can now get the t-test for correlated samples. Okay, how much? Based on the formula. Use the formula. So we are done subtracting the difference between the two observations before and after the treatment. Also, we already find the summation of the difference. And we also compute the mean difference and also the squaring the difference between the before and after observation. Now, you have to get the t-test for correlated samples. How much?
Excuse me, miss. Pwede balik sa katong table, miss?
Okay.
Negative 2, miss. Negative 2.5.
Pila? Pila, Michael?
Negative 3.17.
Negative 3.
0.17.
Okay. Ikaw ni Han? Okay, that's good. So, our answer is yes. Negative
Yes, miss.
3.17.
Negative 2.
Okay. Now, what's the next step in the stepwise method?
Conclusion.
Before
Decision
that.
rule.
Okay, the decision rule. So, our decision rule now is,
Decision rule.
so if the P computed value is greater than or beyond the critical value, we have to disconfirm or reject HO. So HO there is no. Diba? There is no significant difference. Kana kung greater si computed value. So as you can see, pila man ato ang computed value? Kani, 3.17. Our tabular value is this one, 1.729. Give me the conclusion. Sige. Now give me the conclusion. How are you going to construct the conclusion based on the findings of the data or based on the result? Okay, I give 20 points. Who wants to answer?
Kay Hana, miss.
Hannah?
Jeb Smith.
Kinsa, sige. First, Hannah. Let's
Jeb
have...
Smith.
Sige, Han. Han? Tuman.
Ay ko, miss, pero putol-putol gyapon kung tingog ba?
Okay naman. Okay. Based on that result, give me the conclusion. Who wants to try? Di na try lang. Wala ka, wow. Ma'am, ginang makamaon na tadayon mo interpret sa data. Kay ma'am, ginitrabaho na to as an IE, interpreting the data. Or interpreting the results. Jebs? Nakoy na.
Try. Try lang ko, miss.
Sige, try.
There is a significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test
on the program materials in English.
Okay, that is your final
So ba,
conclusion. Okay.
Oh, yes.
There is.
A significant.
Okay. So, correct siya kay there is a significant difference. However, I'm looking for the final conclusion. You are already giving me the implication, which is part of the conclusion siya. But then again, correct siya because there is.
Ay,
Now,
Miss. Hana.
okay, Han. Sige, thank you, Jebs, ha? I will explain later, Jebs, okay?
Since the t-compute value of negative 3.17 is less than the t-tabular value of negative 1.729
Again, Han,
at
wait
point
sa
zero
Han.
level of significance with 15 degrees of freedom, the null hypothesis is accepted in favor of the research hypothesis. Therefore, there is a significant
Han, nawa, nasad ka, Han. Hana? Wala, nasad si Hana. Hana? Wala na po. Okay. Hana, makadungog man ka na ko, no? I am just confused. Naingon ka, the t-computed value, again, the t-computed value of negative 3.17 is less than, and then pag-abot sa application, naingon ka, there is a significant. So, confusing lang. Confusing siya dito na part. But the construction is almost correct. Who wants to try another? Who wants to try? Isa pa. Si Reggie. Reggie naman ni noon. RG. Gani, Hana. Accept the null. Okay. Another person. Asa naman ni ha? Sige, mag-roll call ta. Di kita bang mananiron, dili ma-perfect ninyo ang conclusion. Okay, ni-try na si Hana. Balik lang ka, Han, ha? Okay, let's have Angelo. Yeah, Angelo.
Atay.
Sige na, try lang. Yeah, try. Conclusion. How
Sila
are you
sa
going?
mas mag-search ako.
Sige. Okay, let's have Ma. Batulat. Ma?
Mangita ba ko miso ako kamawa na?
Okay. Let's have kinsa man ni? Chinwin. Chinwin. Ato la sa sonoron. Sige, Chinwin. Chin?
No, okay, bro, miss. It's
Yeah, just try. Wala, Jod? Okay, Christian. Christian Dave.
Miss, naminaw ra ko, miss.
Naminaw lang ka. Sige, at least naminaw. Okay, let's have Christine. Christine? Okay, wala. Clysa, how about Clysa? Okay. Kenneth. Kenneth?
Miss, nag-cut on to ko, miss.
Okay. Let's have John, sculptor.
Libog po mag-gamit.
Okay, ka-cute. RG. No. GV-chan. Makaingon doon sa kami si Miss. No, tagsar kayo magpakita. Okay, tagsar kayo magpakita. Masige pag-ipakulba. Sige. How about si Princess? Princess? How are you going to construct the conclusion? Okay, ba? Sige, RG.
Wala, miss.
Okay. Okay, Jebs. Balik tani mo, Jebs. Jebs?
Yes, miss.
Balik ta. Sige. Complete your sentence. Complete your sentence.
Ato rato ganiha, miss, akong gisulti.
Isumpay sa katong gibuhat ni Hana.
Post-test in the use of program materials in English. It implies that
Wait lang.
Nay nag-practice. Kinsa maron?
is not.
Nay nag-practice. Naman ron.
Wait, miss.
Okay. Sige, later. How about Jeff? Jeff? Wala si Jeff. How about si Jefferson?
Wala ko, miss ay.
Okay. How about Joanne? Jo?
Miss, sorry kay Miss Wajud.
Good idea.
Nalike ko, miss.
Just try.
Wajud ko idea.
Hana, fix your audio, please. Hana. Ikaw gid rin ako 20 points. Okay. Who else? John. How about John Chris?
Dili points, ma'am.
Yeah. Kano sa ragod ko di manghatag og points? Good. Ipanglabay ko ra good na. Okay, let's have John. Kinsa.
Miss.
Who?
Pwede ko mga tana kuan sa ganito yung null hypothesis, miss. Okay, wala ko ka. What, miss?
Sige sa Manisi. State your name. Maglibog ko kisa nagtingog man, no? Di kay makaro dire.
John Chris, miss.
Okay, John. Sige, unsa man? Unsa yung null hypothesis? Mo imong question. The null hypothesis is there is no significant difference. Blah, blah, blah. And then our alternative is there is. Okay? Nasabtan dyan, Chris? Okay, nataato dyan, Chris. Wala may response. Oy. Okay, so I guess okay na. So let's have John
Ay,
Marie.
kubalik, miss.
Later, Han. Ato ning i-roll ko tanan. Okay, let's have John Marie. John? John? Okay, wala. Let's have Melvin. Okay, Melvin. Sige, mingaw ra ba ko ni mo, Melvin?
Wala ulit ako, miss.
Sige na, just try. Naghatag ba ko yung input before, ha? It's just the same with the simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. Solving using the stepwise method. How about Ne? Sige, Ne. Try, Ne.
Miss?
Try. Construct
Oh
a
my
conclusion. Sige.
Oh my gosh.
Sige na.
Ay, mangutanas ako sa problem gali, Miss, unsa gali to?
Our problem is there a significant difference between the pretest and the post-test on the use of program materials in English?
Okay, Miss. Nagsuwat pa ko, Miss.
Oh, okay. Later. Okay, let's have Neil. Neil? Wala si Neil.
Wala po, miss. Wala.
Okay. Let's have Maybill. Ikaw to nag-practice, Maybill?
Miss?
Ikaw to nag-practice? Sige na. Just
Dili,
try.
miss, wala bitaw. Wala ko kang sa conclusion, miss.
Okay, so let's have Christopher.
Ikaw na lang.
Christopher.
May. Wala pa, ma'am.
Okay, nag-construct pa. Okay, how about Rooksby? Rooksby? Present, mom, sir? Roxby?
Miss,
Ah.
di ba na sure?
Sige, go. Just go. Sige.
Sa'yo pa.
No. Sige na gani. Try gani. Sige.
Since the computed value of t-test, which is negative 3.17, is lesser than the tabular value of negative 1.729. Sakto.
Okay. Nakuha na din ka. Sige.
Level,
19 atong degrees of freedom. Okay. Sige. Thank you for trying. How about Son? Son?
Go.
Yes, Son. Ano siya, robot?
San, Miss.
So, sige. How are you
Wala
going
pa
to...
Miss.
Ha? Asa man day karon mura na makagdana sa kuan.
Miss, Miss.
Kuan imuhang kanang audio.
Hangin?
Oo. Sige.
Nakos kuan, Miss.
Nakasa?
1.70.
Nakos kwarto.
Okay. Sige, thank you, Son. Later. Okay, let's have Zenaida.
Excuse me, Miss. Pwede mag-ask?
Oh, yes.
Pila gali ang degrees, Miss? 19?
Pila ang?
Degrees of freedom.
We have 19.
Okay, Miss. Nana, Miss.
Ikaw? Ne?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
yes,
go,
Miss.
Ne.
Oh my God. Since the t-computed value of negative 3.17 is lesser than t-tabular value of negative 1.729 at 0.5 level of significance with 19 degrees of freedom, the null hypothesis is accepted. This means that there is significant difference between the pre-test and post-test. The program has the program materials on English.
Okay. Sakto sana siya if imuha decision rule is sakto. Yes. Did you get me? Do you get me? Sakto sana unta siya ne ang construction. However, your decision rule is wrong.
Negative 3.17.
Try ko, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Oo.
Kinsa to? Hana? Kinsa.
Jabs, Miss.
Okay, Jabs. Go, Jabs.
Since the tabulated d negative 3.17 is lesser than the computed d negative 1.729 at 0.5 level of confidence with a degree freedom of 4, therefore the null hypothesis is rejected. This means that there is a significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test on the use of program materials in English.
Okay, confusing na noon, Jebs. Kay nga no, niingon kang lesser than ang kato. Same mo sa gibuhat ni Hana. Niingon ka nga lesser than siya. And then pag implication na nimo, niingon ka nga there is a significant difference. Which is, dili siya kanang wala siya ni align sa imong decision rule. Again, let's go back to the decision rule. Sa to decision rule na to, atong decision rule,
accept the null.
So our decision rule here, if the t-computed
there is
value is
no-
greater
Exact the
than or beyond the critical value, we have to disconfirm H0. Right?
So there is no significant relationship, Miss.
Relationship kung linear regression. Again, we are in the t-test, so we are going to test the difference. So significant difference, not relationship.
There is no significant difference.
Okay. Again, so kung mayroon ganit ang t-test for correlated, so this is another kind of parametric test. Conditions must be met like normal distribution. Again, normal distribution. What is in the right would be the same as in the left. So what would be your final conclusion? Okay, this one, ako na lang. So the t-computed value of, as you can see, ang atong nakuha ganina is pila man, negative 3.17. However, atong tabular value is 1.73, which is wala siya ni coincide sa iyang sign, di ba? So when we say normal distribution, the sign is plus minus. So you have to disregard since the normal distribution, mo to, normal distribution siya. So kung unsay sign nga ning gawa si computed value, the same with the sign of the critical value, which is our tabular value. So our final conclusion here is that the computed value of negative 3.17 is beyond or is greater than the critical value of negative 1.73 at 0.05 level of significance with 19 degrees of freedom. So the null hypothesis is therefore disconfirmed in favor of the research hypothesis. So this means that the post-test result is higher than the pre-test result. So it implies that the use of the program materials in English is effective. So sakto to yung mong gingon ganina, Jebs, na there is a significant difference. Pero lang, say mo ni Hana, niingon mo ganina nga, less than siya. So kana lang. So again, dili mo
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, Han? Yes, Han? Kinsa to nag-ask?
So then the pretest result, it then implies that the use of
Chaman. Kasi man to, wala na lagi ni pa yung pangutana.
Ang answer ni Hana, Miss, nasa chat.
Nasa chat, okay.
Sayot gahapon, Miss.
Nga, okay. Niingon ka is less than the TO. So, okay o ta lagi siya if kuan. So, since wala mo kaibaw kung dapat normal distribution din siya is the same with the left and the right distribution. So, ana lang. Okay, remember that one. Okay? Do you have any question? I guess 5 p.m. naman said. Do you have any question? Na, question na ta. Question and answer portion. Sige na ka, this will be our last meeting na baya for this month of for the month of December. Sige na. Question? No question? Ngano biyan siya, Miss? Wa ako ka-gets distribution.
Pero sa balik klase.
Ha? Unsa? Sige, Jelo? Kato, J?
Kano sa balik klase, ma'am?
January 4.
Thank you.
Okay. So, ato sa entertain si Hana. So, asa man ito yung text, Hana? Wala lagi. Okay. Ngano biyan siya, Miss? Wa ako ka-get sa distribution, Chorba. Okay. Again, Han. So, sa normal distribution, ang iyahang ratio is 1:1. And then, the sign is plus minus. So, imo siyang i-disregard. For example, kung nakakuha kasi mong computed value, negative siya, mo adjust si tabular value. So, ma-negative na sab siya. So, yung ana siya, mao na siya sa normal distribution. Kung artag ka ng mga statistical analysis. So, dapat imo siyang i-kuan 1:1. Imo i-proportion iyang kanang data. Imo i-the same based on the normal distribution. Hana, nasabtan? Same thing kung ma-positive ang positive, syempre positive sa demohang tabular value. Kung ma-positive si computed value, same with the tabular value. Kana karon kung negative siya, so negative ang atong nakuha, ato siya muna as plus minus for the reference of the normal distribution. So dili siya magpasabot nga negative 3, di ba? Atong nahibawan sa negative 3 versus the negative 1. Of course, dako siya si negative 1 kung pang-base ta sa sign mo. Manato nakatanan no, mas dako si negative 1. Kung may tag negative 3 versus 0, of course, dako si 0. But then again, sa normal distribution with the statistics, so imo siyang i-the same. So imo siyang i-plus minus. So mana siya. Nasabtan. Question. Okay, Queenies. Okay, Han. You're welcome. Okay, next. Next question. Sige na. And then I will say goodbye and then have a sige na.
Merry Christmas,
Miss. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Same to you, Miss. Face-to-face at tunod, Miss.
I hope so. Kaya gibigaw na dyan ko ninyo. I want to talk or I want to discuss na good kayo. So, dyan kayo ang online. Grabe ang adjustment. Pero there's no chance pa siguro nga mag face-to-face ta kay nagkasaka na sa drababalik ang Cebu City. So, oh my gosh. Dili na mo ma-take pod ang responsibility sa kadaghan ninyo if mga rin na mo tanan. Feel na po mga sakit tanan. Grabe tang feeling na lang nimo nga masakit ka kay because of the mental ko ano ba nga basi masakit ko kadaghan na kaayo taw may ngana ba. Kaya unlike mong nga camera na adinhi, syempre mag naanad na lang ang virus sa amo ang usag-usa. Kasi ginawa mig kuyog. Kung kamo, kung kamo mo ari, hindi na mo matake ang risk yun. Mahadlok mo. Okay, I think wala na question now with regards with the discussion. So that would be our second to the last discussion. So on January, we will have the analysis of variance for the one-way, two-way, and three-way ANOVA. Okay, so that will be our last topic, and then we will have the final exam. Okay. So I guess that's all.
Ang final, Miss?
Second week or first week, it depends on your teachers.
Patay.
So after the happy, sad na sad. Yes. Okay.
Pinaskuhan na lang niyo.
Ako pinaskuhan ninyo kay grades. Okay kaayo, no?
Mag-send makani sa Miss no sa YouTube channel ni Miss no?
Oo, after ani ka record man ko so ako ni siya i-send.
Miss, magkuan ka o kuan, Miss, mag-send sa PPT, Miss.
PPT. Pwede ra sad. Pwede ra. Pwede ra.
Send lang, Miss.
Sige. Sige, I think that's all for today. Thank you for coming, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy your Christmas break. So enjoy, pero less lang enjoy ha. Spend it with your family, immediate family.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayaw mo sigiglaan. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Thank you so much for coming.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. Same to you, guys. Amping mo permit. Bye-bye.
Okay, Miss. Bye-bye. God bless.
Bye, Miss. God bless.
God bless all.